You can expect a lot from the 2005 Infiniti G35. This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has fewer than 110,000 kilometers. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Infiniti prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, and power seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.